Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A31. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray, then followed by the battery cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Carefully work around on edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic carbide tool and gently cut the adhesive around. Take out the back cover and undo 15 screws on the rear cover frame. Now using a plastic carbide tool creates an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around on edges to undo the plastic clips. Take out the frame and disconnect the battery connector and the main flex cable plug, which connects the LCD as well. Unplug the antenna and undo the screw to take out the logic board. Now we can disconnect the front camera and rear camera. A quick note, it is not required to take off the logic board to replace the front camera. There are 4 rear cameras on A31. Besides the macro camera, the other 3 camera connectors plug on the back side of the main board. Disconnect all and give a slight force to take out the camera module. Meantime, disconnect the macro camera on the front side of the board. Replace the required new camera and move back the logic board to the phone. Insert the screw back and plug the antenna. Then we can connect the main flex connector and the battery plug. To restore the rear cover frame, make sure clips has tightened enough and insert all 15 screws. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.